Hi Andeep, tell us something about yourself.
So my name is Andaleeb Ahmed and I'm an executive member at Open. And today I see the youth forum. I brought my son here and he was hesitant to come and he was saying that there's nothing for me and it's not helpful and stuff. But when he came here, he attended some sessions and now he's very happy. He's so happy and he's so into Open Youth Forum that he doesn't want to leave. So he's staying with me till the end of the program.
That is wonderful. I heard that you were planning to bring your daughter as well at the Open event now?
Yes, so in the evening we were supposed to go somewhere else. We had commitments, but we met Farhan and he is so inspiring and my daughter is into acting. So I thought I have to bring her and he said yes, bring her and he'll talk to her and he'll advise her. So I've changed my plans and I'm coming to Open in the evening. And so she can talk to him.
Tell us, why do you think other kids should come to the Open event?
Yeah, definitely. I suggest everybody to send their kids and to kids to come so they're exposed. If they don't come, they won't know what it is about and what they can get out of it. So they have to come, check it out, and then I'm sure next year they would love to come here again.
I see. So how was the youth section or the panel today if you attended?
So I wasn't able to attend myself because I was volunteering here, but after my kid came out and other kids, I've talked to them and they are very satisfied. They were saying that they got a lot of tips and ideas out of it, so they're very happy.
As a mother, was it difficult for you to bring the kids here and convince them?
It was difficult a little bit, but and they had a squash tournament going on, so my son was playing tournament and coming here, so he came here twice. But I think it's worth it. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.